I'm here in Henderson at Health Xpress to speak with Christina Kolbach about their newest location. So Christina, congratulations on your latest establishment here at Health Xpress near Galleria in Henderson. This isn't your typical walk-in clinic. It's not your typical place that people will come to for ailments or, a primary care place. You encapsulate so much more. So before we get onto all that, tell us about this latest location.
Yeah, of course. So this is the Galleria Clinic. This is located near the Galleria Mall. This clinic takes care of primary care and urgent care needs. We're open 7 days a week, and we do allow walk-ins for either primary care or urgent care. We do a wide range of services here, just like the other two clinics, and we just want to bring more services and providers to this area of town.
So when we talk about primary and urgent care, those are normal things that people are familiar with: cuts, scrapes, bruises, feeling a little bit sick. But you also offer so many more different areas for people to come in and take advantage of your facility. There's IVs, there's so many different things. So what kind of things can people also expect when they come into a Health Xpress facility?
Yeah, when any patient can come here, we can do a wide range of things, including weight loss. We do semaglutide for weight loss. We do IVs. We do rapid testing for STDs, any type of sicknesses or diseases. And then we offer multiple individualized programs for the patients for their leisure.
So it's more than just a walk-in clinic.
Correct.
How do people make an appointment with you? Do they need to check in first before they come and get a medical or a physical or speak to you about any of the other programs?
Yeah, so you can either make an appointment online, you can call the clinic, or you can walk in. That's our biggest feature that we pride ourselves on, is you can walk in, like I said, for primary care or urgent care needs.
And that's so important when someone has something that happens immediately. You need to know you can go to someone that can see you urgently on the spot with a walk-in. Obviously, with a third location, it means you guys are expanding. Is that to take care of a need that's out there? Is it because you guys wanted to make sure you're positioned in different areas?
Yeah, we did want to expand to different areas of town, but also we provide such a unique service, and we want to offer that 7-day-a-week service for primary care, like I said, to any patient of any age, and that is really important to us. So we just wanted to stretch our wings and open up on this side of town.
You did mention briefly the new thing with the weight loss that everyone is, the semaglutide.
Right.
It's something that everyone is into right now. Clearly that's something that you guys offer as an additional service as well. Does that show where you guys are going to be expanding to in the future? You're going to be doing more of these kind of programs on top of regular walk-ins and primary care and urgent care?
Yeah, I don't really know exactly what our future holds for us, but we do like to incorporate unique things that most primary care or urgent cares don't offer. So we might expand into doing different avenues of weight loss, such as peptides or hormone replacement therapy. So we will bring on more unique services as the time goes on.
People in the community always have a different level of healthcare and healthcare providers and how they might be covered. What kind of insurance coverage do you guys take? What kind of do you take people without insurance? What's the makeup of your clients?
Yeah, so we take all insurances. There are just a few that we don't take, but we take most insurances, and we also accept cash pay services. So anybody can walk in. You can pay cash. You can use your insurance. You could use a little bit of both. The option is whatever you would like.
A new facility must mean a new primary physician here. Who would be the primary care provider here?
Yeah, so I'd like to introduce Melissa. She's going to be our full-time provider here at this location, and she is a PA.
So Melissa, you're the physician assistant here at the newest location for Health Xpress near Henderson. What are you excited about helping with the community here?
Yeah, I'm definitely excited to help patients with their primary care visits and their urgent care visits, especially because we're walk-in, and I'm very excited to be treating multiple patients in the Henderson area.
What's a common misconception that you come up against with a facility like this, or a preconceived notion that people might have about the services offered or how they have to register here?
Yeah, I feel like a lot of patients think that they might have to schedule an appointment several months ahead, but that's one of the great things about Health Xpress is you can walk in at any time. If you're feeling sick, if you're needing any type of healthcare attention, we're always here for them.
One thing I do love about what you guys offer is that additional service add-ons like the IVs and the weight loss current new fad. Is that something that's exciting to be able to offer or be a part of?
Yes, so we do lots of weight loss programs. We do phentermine, we also do Ozempic here in clinic. And I always talk to patients that preventative medicine is great too. Of course, lifestyle modifications and starting a program like that to help patients get to where they need to be.
How do patients need to, I know we talked about people can just walk in,
Right.
but how do other patients register or schedule an appointment here? Is there a way to go online if they do want to do that service?
Yeah, definitely. So they can visit us on Facebook, they can reach out to us on there, they can visit us on Google and give us a call, or they can just simply walk in.
You're open Monday through Friday?
Correct. So I'm Monday through Friday as of right now, and we are planning on opening Saturdays and Sundays from 8 to 7.
For more information and to make an appointment, visit healthexpresslv.com.